in this video. Now we're putting the timing chain cover on. I got the reluctor wheel on there. Get that on there because the sensor, that sensor right there, plugs in on the side of the cover, right in that hole over there. That hole right there. And if you forget to put that on there, it's not gonna turn on. People are gonna be like, "Ooh, I didn't want to turn on." Did you put the reluctor wheel or the tooth wheel for the crankshaft? Because that's the crank, and these are cams. You know, 1 cam, 2 cam, crankshaft. This turns the pistons. All right, yeah, you know. Okay, so what we're gonna do, guys, is put a. This is the RTV that I'm using. Damn, guys, stuff's really going up. This used to be $7, maybe $8, $9 the most. Now it's like 11 and some change. It went up. That's just what it is. I'm gonna show you the book real quick so I can show you where it says to put little dabs of RTV. It says here it's for do overhead cam, but I'm gonna put some in mine. See, right there, and I already put the new seal and this one. I got all the bolts already in a bag. I think I got like 14 of them. There's actually 19 to be taken off. I'm gonna put the oil pan ones underneath first, and then I'm gonna start like right here because the ones also I have are for brackets too. They're up here, so those are in another bag that says for bracket, I think coil and steering pump. So yeah, guys, if you guys, I'm gonna put it right here, guys. Maybe you guys want to read, and you want to pause it and read it. But this is how to change cover, timing, chain cover, removal, and installation. I might be doing this in every time I work on the truck and the Mustang. Show you guys. Let me show you the bolts where they're supposed to look, where they're supposed to kind of go. Alright, guys, I just wanted to show you. So I'm going to apply some little RTV on those little corners right now. Right here. I saw some right here too. But I'm like, oh, I don't know. And I want to change the oil filter. So if it starts leaking from there, gosh darn it, I'm going to jack it up and take out the oil pan. And I probably got to remove the K-member too. So, oh, that jamming. Oh, I'm gonna pop that guitar playing it that hard. Okay, what else? Yeah, everything's on, guys. Everything has red thread lock. Anything that vibrates, anything that holds stuff that moves really fast, you want to put red thread locker. So this is a Windsor engine, like I've said in other videos. I forgot, I think like when I found out I had said it. So that means that the chain is different. This is a 1998 chain. I did not know that this was a Windsor when I went to get the chain. It fits on here. Nothing's touching. As you can see, the reluctor wheel is not touching. It's like on there barely. There's a space between here. And it rotates without hitting any valves, guys. I have a guy that I'm calling right now so he can help me with the starter and connect it for me right, because this wiring right here, look what's going on there, dude. That's gonna start a fire for sure. And so he's gonna come and fix that. He's just been really busy. I've been calling him since Monday. Today's Wednesday the 2nd. I don't know if it's the 2nd or the 3rd, but yeah, he's really busy, guys. He says he's gonna call me and come over, but he hasn't. And I'm like, damn, He's that busy, and he's good too. A guy from O'Reilly's referred me to him, so I'm just gonna wait. Stuff that's done right and stuff, and people that do stuff right, it takes a while for them to come hit you up because they got other stuff and people know that they're good. So it's just it's hard. But I'm gonna do this and put this on there already. Oh, exhaust leak, bro, and make sure it doesn't. And make sure it's on there right. And guys, I want to put the boat on. I want to cover it already because it's been raining. It's kind of ugly. Check it out. Check it out. And it's kind of cold. It's like, what, like 80, 79, 80 degrees right now? Maybe 80. Yeah. So around 70s and 80s. And doesn't really get to the 90s anymore every now and then. So it's getting cold. This winter is going to be a cold winter. So I'm going to pause you guys real quick. Put some dabs right there. I think I want to put some dabs on these dowels here. There's another one over here, but I don't know. It's because I saw like a little dry RTV around it. Like if they put some, I might put some just in case. I wonder if I should run like just put some and like put it with my finger, and then put the timing chain cover on, right? But then it has that seal. You don't need it if you put that seal. You know what I'm saying? And you torque them down in a sequence. So yeah, let's see. I'm gonna just put RTV there and let that seal. See if that seal works. Hopefully it does. What the fuck? Ew. That meme's so funny to me, guys. I don't know why. Guys, this oil pan, watcha? Look how it sits. This oil pan is probably a freaking Romeo. Because this 1998 is supposed to come with a Romeo engine. That's what they're called. I don't know. It's from somewhere over there. I don't know where. I didn't care about that. I just want to know where this was. I just knew that this was a Windsor, and that I think the heads are from a 99, and the block is a 98. Because this timing chain cover didn't want to fit. It just popped on there weird. I'm just gonna put it on. There was like a big gap, and I think that's why it broke. I don't know if I showed you guys in one of the videos, but yeah, man. It went on there, guys. I'm just gonna screw it on there and hope to God it doesn't leak. Alright, guys. I'm gonna stop already because my phone's about to die. And I already got all the bolts on there. It's just that this one, I don't think these are the right bolts for it. They don't have they're supposed to look like this with a washer on there and everything covering that. This doesn't have nothing. I'm gonna have to go to a bolt store, Bose Ace and bolts on OD3 and get me some washers that fit on here on both sides. All 14 are in there. Right now it looked like the timing chain cover didn't want to fit, but it popped on there and it sealed damn good. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go underneath. I actually might take it off because I forgot to put the crank sensor on, and I'm thinking I should unplug this, but then I'm looking at like how to unplug it, right? And the damn header bolt is like right underneath it. The header's like right there. This one. This header is hitting that bolt. That bolt you see right there. So if I take it out, it's gonna hit up there, and I don't know, like, so I'm gonna take up the timing cover again and connect that. First, I'm gonna disconnect the crankshaft sensor and clean it up. Then I'm gonna take it off again and put it on. Anyways, these two bolts don't need a washer, and I think there's some down there that do need a washer too. No, I think it's just those two. Yeah, because they all have it. Look. And the 3 down there, 1 right there, 1 over there, 1 there, 1 there. They all have it except those 2. So I'm gonna go and get those washers, put those on, and then the other bolts, guys, like the ones that go right here and right here, it goes with the bracket, and that's in another bag. So I was wondering why don't I have them? Well, it's because it's in a bracket. It's in the with the bracket bolts. So yeah. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna stop it right here because it's already gonna hit 10 minutes, and I don't want my phone to die. But yeah, that's what's been going on, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.